Coming up from the above you will tell us why.
So we can get a
Let's come over, Sergeant.
The lady wants to have some paperwork, I'll explain it when you're meeting. Why not? This is a court, and there are crimes happening in this court, and you're not taking the paperwork. If you want to leave the paperwork, you can leave it here.
Well, could you get a judge? Maybe get a judge now.
You're required to give it to you.
Is he?
He's the person in liability.
For the court, maybe.
He's the one with liability. Who we speaking to?
Who would you like me to address?
This is...
Who's liable for what goes on in this courtroom?
crimes that are taken
In this court?
Are you trying to hide crime?
So why I'm saying is you want to pass this paperwork to someone for why you're representative
You
of the
are,
court.
because this is a crime, and we're giving it to you.
So we will not be
And you're
involved
not, and you're saying you're not
passing
going
that
to take it.
paperwork.
So why are you wearing it?
So someone
Why are
from
you
the
wearing
court
that?
will accept this paperwork.
Great. So who are you going to get from the court to accept the paperwork? And it better be of a high enough level to be able to accept it.
You don't get to dictate who that is.
Pardon?
You don't get to dictate who that is.
Okay. No, but
Why would I do that when I've got many?
right. Okay. I'm not taking that from you, no, sir.
Will that be me as I'm not? Is
No,
that
I know.
okay?
This is the police.
I wouldn't take a new paper.
Why would you not be taking that?
Because they can't touch it because they'll shrivel up and die. Because if they do, they'll get hung high.
Paperwork, you can post it and you can address it to the chief constable.
No.
He will gladly receive that
Shred it.
paperwork.
Oh, it's really got to come on the side of the people.
For what?
Okay, so if you said
These unlawful courts, man. All getting raped from behind.
post, you can do recorded delivery. This is
Gas and electric prices going up. Everything's going on, isn't it? They don't give a shit about us.
Identify.
We could have a much better country. Much better country for the people.
Paul, we command that you give this to your team
Can you just stop the rest of it? We're just trying to have a peaceful thing. We just want to serve some papers. Can you stop being horrible? It's just really not on. It's really not on.
Get a handcuff off. Get a handcuff off now. Be on your back. Get a handcuff off now.
You didn't do anything.
You're not. He hasn't done anything wrong.
I don't understand. He was just standing there and that guy assaulted him.
No, exactly.
I think it's a bit heavy-handed. I think it's very heavy-handed.
No, it was one of the court guys fucking assaulted. One of the court
This is not. Excuse me, this is not what this is going to do.
We're to facilitate the dissolution of secretaries.
You're not facilitating, you're lying.
I think you'll find we've been very gracious. You're going to have to agree to disagree. Yeah, but you're not doing the job that the public Okay. I think you'll find a lot of the public appreciate the job that we do.
I think you'll find that they don't.
Appreciate the job that we do.
This is the law.
I think you're going to find
I'm just going to read the law out to you before
Nice
we
and
leave.
quiet, everyone. Excuse me.
This is the law, guys.
Just before we
Guys,
leave.
Just before we leave, I want to share something with you because maybe you don't have this information.
Excuse me.
The Justice of the Peace Act 1361 is a constitutional act that has not been repealed by any government, okay? And there are journals that support this. The full application of the law, and there's the Statute of Northampton 1328. It's a constitutional law, and it says, as we understand, are you civilians? Are you civilians? Do you recognise yourselves as civilians? Just asking a question. Are you civilians?
No offence committed, but obviously
Yeah, but are you a civilian?
Are you a military? Are you a a soldier?
Are you a soldier?
Way above the police officer.
I know, but
Yeah, but are you military or are you a civilian?
Not military, sick.
okay, so
No, if you're a civilian.
you're a civilian.
Yes.
Are you enforcing law or are you enforcing acts and
Have you
statutes?
seen that you've hurt his head?
Okay, so
that
I'm just
assault?
going
Are you a
to
police officer?
I'm just going to carry on reading that. Okay, so no man or woman or a civilian police officer shall carry weapons or wear armour unless they are required to keep the
You don't
peace,
see what's
and
going
only
on
at
in
the
this
time
world.
of the breach.
Sad.
That said, as no breach of the peace happens, the peace is being broken daily by policemen and women titled police officers that carry weapons. This includes rifles, pistols, handcuffs, electric guns, bulletproof armour vests, bats, armoured uniforms. It's weapons.
Yeah, don't any of you lot come and accept this, will you?
Because they fear the people.
Oh no, we just take our money.
Breaching the peace. With immediate effect, we command the removal of armour and weapons of policemen and women by law, this is the law, with those that ignore the law. This is a legal notice of the law, the crimes that are being committed. Ignorance of the law is no excuse, you are liable. Now the thing is with this can be used as a defence. So this man here, who's been handcuffed, he can basically use that as a defence. So this is something that you need to be aware of. It can be used as a defence. If anyone is charged with carrying an offensive weapon, for example, they can use that to say, well, hold on a minute, the man or woman that arrested me also had weapons.
Okay. Thank you for telling us.
So it makes you liable. I mean,
I'm not going to take the notice. Thank you
well
very
then,
much.
you're still responsible at the end of the day because you're the ones carrying weapons and breaking the law.
Witnessed you being made aware. Thank you very much for making me aware of this. Thank you very much for passing the message.
What do you need to be made aware of? What part of the law do you know? How many rights in your knowledge of the law exist?
Well, you don't because you're bearing arms. You're wearing arms and you're
The next piece here we get is taking any paper today. Something that happened outside, which we were not party to.
It happened in here.
No, he's dragged it here. It happened outside.
No, it happened.
He started in here. The assault started here.
He was arrested outside.
We will question footage, camera footage.
Oh yeah, can we
That's freedom of information. You can request that through the authority.
any camera?
I'll have to ask permission from the courts.
Thank you.
So that's all these police functions, cameras.
Yeah. I mean, who would we speak to about getting all the footage?
We get caller numbers.
And that goes through the relevant. Okay. Thank you very much.
No point saying thank you very much. Well, I'm just saying thank you very much.
So there's access just on the left-hand side. Is there access just on the left-hand side? This one. No, not that one.
No, this one. This one.
Ah.
Yeah, he's in a court.
You're all going to stand trial one day for what you've done here today. You're all going to stand trial. And if you've got children, they're going to be ashamed of you.
I'm sure they are, sir, but she said you don't know.
They're going to be ashamed of you. Take that home with you. Tell your children what you've done.
Yeah,
Help bring this country down.
Actually, go and actually understand the law is. Go and actually understand it, unless you're free, mate. That's all right.
I got that.
Is there a lawyer? Yes, there is.
Yeah, I'm alright. That's all it is. Yeah. I had a good.
That's how you take it.
So, what's happening? You don't know.
Serco! We know who you are!
Here comes the crown!
Yeah. We know who you are and who
Prince
you
Charles!
work for.
Circle!
All about you.
Too much pride to do that job.
But then maybe you should.
Serco, the private army
You know, if you just
of the crown.
if you're being made to commit a crime against the people, and you just take a little bit of information that they've given you, and you have a question to it, how can you actually do your job with it? Because ignorance of the law is no excuse. Ignorance of the law. Now, if I go and do a job and they teach me a little bit of the job, the fact that I only know a little bit of the job just makes me ignorant. It just makes me know my little bit. Now, you're an intelligent girl, I'm sure. Your mother and father are probably really proud of you. But what you're doing is no different to what are we doing? Well, you just told me you're not required to show me a warrant card.
I'm not worried. I don't have to do anything. I give you my shoulder.
So how am I meant to know that you're a police constable?
So I can check from the uniform. I give you my shoulder number.
But
I'm allowed to be here. I don't have to prove to you that I'm a police constable.
With the greatest of
I have shown you.
But with the greatest of respect, I can go on eBay and dress up.
And I have shown you.
And you have, and I'm very grateful for you. But you are required by the laws of this land to identify yourself.
But not my full name. So I can show you my warrant card without my full name.
Why would you not need
Because
to?
you're not understand what people do.
If you arrest me, no, it's not. That's what they tell you. Shall I tell you why they don't want you to give your
Catherine.
I know.
No, that's it. Well, you just need to be doing a little bit of
We have actually served the paperwork successfully.
You're
Yeah.
going backwards and forwards about a warrant card. She's shown you a warrant card. So now we need to go and put our police presence.
Is that the way that you stick your fingers in your ears and say, I won't listen to the general public even though they pay my wages? No problem. Yeah, no worries. Get on with your job, girls. Well done. Shame on you. Hey everyone.
Okay.
They haven't served. It was taken by the financial manager of the court. Unfortunately, an arrest has been made, which we don't believe is correct, and we're all witnesses to say there was jostling, and the guy that they currently have in handcuffs, we're requiring them release him because it would be a shame, because it's been a very peaceful and lawful and accountable action that we've taken today. We are not protesters, slaves protest. Men and women are accountable, and today we have shown them that we are accountable for our public buildings and our money being used in the correct way. We no longer accept private large and nothing more than a criminal organisation because they treat us like we are slaves, drunken slaves, and we are men and women with offspring. We have also served the Police and Crime Commissioner today that police officers are breaking the law under the Justice of the Peace Act 1361 and the Statute of Northampton 1328. The sergeant here today has refused to take a copy of the investigation that we the people required. That's no surprise because what we understand is that they are not here for the people, and that is why we are firing them. We're not going to be paying council tax and other bills because we can't fund police to criminalise our people.
Right, folks, on the lighter note, I've got some briefs from Germany. I'm going to read it out. And it's got nothing to do with this today, what we did directly, but I think you'll like it. In Germany now, you are no longer allowed to buy a car if you have been jacked.
Yay! Wow.
Selected individuals will also receive a letter from insurers that they are no longer insured, no longer allowed to drive a car. If that doesn't lead to a grand awakening in Germany, I don't know what will. You know, so we're not going to be far behind.
Thank you, David.
he come to serve the people, and it's the hope. But as it currently stands, you are standing against a criminal organisation. And if you have children, and you care about your children, then you need to take your allegiance quickly. And there was no crime. There was no crime, and that man, whose name is Mr. Paul Jelf, who's a friend of mine, and his son Isaac. Where is Isaac?
Was arrested with a guy with more numbers.
His son witnessed an abuse and an attack by manhandling by numerous police men and women acting as police agents, and that must have been highly disturbing for him. I think that's causing some harm.
That's good faith on your
serious
part.
harm.
We'd like him de-arrested.
So we demand that he be de-arrested right now.
Faith on your part. Put your hands back.
Not shame on you. Not shame on you. Something more positive. Something more positive. Like let's all act together to bring law back to this country. Let's all act together to bring law and order and peace back to this country. Let's not allow any more harm to our living men and women, brothers and sisters. What I just witnessed there, my friend Paul, this beautiful boy's dad, who is one of the most upstanding men I've ever met. I am proud of him, and I'm proud of all these incredibly brave people here who are standing up to this tyranny that we face in this country. We are not standing it anymore, and there will be more and more of us gathered like this here. And there is no shame on anyone here, because we are all doing what we understand is best. Right? But we best for everyone. And we understand your dilemma, because you think that you are working for the people. You think and believe that the coronavirus, whatever it was called, pandemic, was a real thing. But it was planned since goodness knows how long. Yeah. We have all the evidence. These chemtrails, geoengineering, which you can see up in the sky here, are heavy metal particles which are supposed to be reflecting light back to the sun. What a load of nonsense. What about the death of our bird life? We would like our friend Paul to be de-arrested so that he can go back home with his son. Now.
Think about this, gentlemen. We were criminals 6 months ago under the Jam Act. They can't drive in Germany if they're
The policeman who arrested Paul had no collar number, and he is therefore not allowed or in a position to arrest anybody. And he was not arrested either. And there was no victim. I think you can find the film and have it could have been done in a little bit more elegant way.
Want to stay in?
Yeah.
Come and get the car and
Yeah, something of that nature. I mean, it's still stuff.
We'll do that. Yeah, thanks.
Is that all right?
Yeah.
Well.
Yeah, all right, I'll see you.
Well, give me a call, yeah? Or text. Text.
This is the kind of tactics that you police are using. That you take a hostage, you become like a hostage or a scapegoat.
Boo!
They're pretty smug up there, that's for sure.
Right, get the flu out. I can leave my lips to that. Until this man's de-arrested. That's just all to say, right?
Yeah, but they wouldn't go to sit there.
It would really help if the officers could release our man for his son and then we can leave, which I'm sure would make you all feel much more comfortable so you can carry on doing whatever it is you think you need to do. So, you know, we really, would ask you, because otherwise we're going to have to stay here because you have our man and we don't believe he's committed any crime.